Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use keyframes on the mask button on mask feature on CapCut PC. So select the item that you're going to mask. I'm just going to choose this background, and then I'm going to select the mask button here, and I'm going to select the heart-shaped one, and you can also reverse it if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm also going to feather it out a little bit. This is not necessary for the keyframes, but you can. I'm then just going to add a keyframe up here, and then I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to go to the next frame, and I'm going to scale it up, and then I'm going to go to the next frame, and I'm going to scale it down again, and I'm going to scale it up. You can also do it with rotation, so go to another frame and rotate it this way, and here you can rotate it that way, and then on the next frame you can rotate it the other way, and then you can keep on doing that until you're done. And you can also move it like so, and it's just going to add keyframes on its own. So that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!